Yo, what is up, guys? Chris Bernal in the house, yo. De, joke lang. Yo, what is up, guys? It's me, yeah. So, today, papakita ko para sa inyo yung mga nag-ipon nating latest pick-up items. Medyo matagal-tagal bago nasundan yung ating mga LPU series. So, tara, papakita ko sa inyo. Isa-isahin na natin. Unahin muna natin dito sa 4 na jacket sa baba. First item, ito pala yung vintage Detroit. Model na to is 6BLJ. Size na to is medium tall. It's good for those mga matatangkad na naghahanap ng Detroit na kung ayaw nyo ng crop fit. So, ito na yan, guys. Yan. Ganda na condition na to. And then, ito yung sought after na variant, guys. Yung dagger zipper. Ito yung second item natin. This one is the iconic J97 PTLR Petrol. This one is size medium. Ito yung third jacket natin, guys. Vintage na GO3 black. Size XL. Pero parang large lang siya, guys. 26 by 26 lang yung times neto. Boxy fit. Woo! Yan. Excellent condition. With patch yan. And then the fourth jacket, this one is J221 CAP or Camo AP. Yung una nating nakuhang ganitong pattern, guys, is waffle line. This one is duck line na. Yan. This is size medium. Excellent condition. So, ayun lang yung mga jackets na nakuha natin ngayon. Isunod naman natin yung mga shorts and pants. So, ayun. Ito pala yung mga shorts na nakuha natin sa latest pick-up. Tara, isa-isahin na natin. I have here, guys, dalawang vintage na B29 stonewash in excellent condition. May issue lang itong dalawang to. Both removed tags. And waistline na itong hawak ko is 37. Then, ito naman, waistline niya is 36. And then, next, vintage na B25. Chestnut brown, size 40. Next is B28 dark stone na size 33. Next is flawless na vintage WU1998 size 28. Size 38 na B25 desert brown. Flawless. And vintage flawless na B25 moss green size 40. And then, ito, meron itong size 38 na B25 brown. Flawless. Another flawless na B25. Moss green. Size 38. Then, next is ito, vintage rare. Flawless na B24. Chestnut brown naman to. Size 38. And then, last sa shorts natin, guys, is ito. Vintage dead stock. Or brand new. Na P29 stonewash size 30. And this one, guys, is already sold. Woo! Sa ating bossing from Taiwan. Shout out, bossing. Thank you always sa pag-purchase at sa pagtitiwala. Thank you, bossing. So, ayan, meron pala akong isang hat na nakuha, guys. If you're interested, ayan, I have here vintage Marlboro na corduroy snapback hat. And no issue to, guys. At rin nag-iisa kong hat na nakuha ko sa box natin ngayon, guys. Isusunod na natin yung mga pants. At naman ngayon yung mga pants na nakuha natin. At etong isang pile pa dito. Yan, meron dito ang vintage na B11 black, guys. Size 36 by 34 on tag. Yan. Excellent condition. Next is another vintage, guys, na B11 PTL or Petrol. Size 30 by 30 on tag. And the next, meron pa tayo dito nakuhang dalawang camouflage na carpenter pants. Model na to parehas is B158 CMO. Yan, nahin natin tong isa. And this one, guys, is big leather patch. Size 34 by 34 on tag. Yan. Excellent condition. And next is ito is size 42 by 30 on tag. Excellent condition. And then, meron tayo dito isa pang camouflage, guys, na size 30. Flawless. Na B235 CAP. And then next, meron tayong nakuha ditong dalawang B11 na size 28 by 30 on tag. Unahin muna natin tong isa. This one is a flawless, guys. B11 Midnight Blue. Ganda ng size na ito. Medyo mahirap paghanap ng ito kalit na size. And then another B11 PTL or Petrol, guys. Excellent condition. Then may nakuha din tayo dito ng dalawang size 30 by 30 na carpenter pants. Ito is B11 Petrol. In excellent condition. And B11 brown. Excellent condition. Sunod natin tong isang pile. And this one here, I got a vintage double knee. 90s to, guys. And model na to, guys, is 62W vintage. Size on tag is 33 by 34. Isa tayo ditong traditional na pants, stone washed, guys. 32 by 32 on tag. Excellent condition. I got here dead stock or brand new na B13 dark stone, guys. Size 28 by 34 on tag. Yan. Meron tayo ditong B11 na carpenter pants with pants. Ang cool. Size 32 by 34 on tag. I got here a double knee na B01 moss green. Size 34 by 32 on tag. Flawless. I got here a vintage carpenter in mint condition. Model natin is WU0382 or chestnut brown, guys. Size 36. Size 36 by 32 on tag. And then last natin sa pants, guys. Meron tayo ditong 5 dead stock na carpenter cargo pants. Model natin is B240, DMS or dark moss. Yan. Ganda ng size nata, guys. Hard to find size. This one is 35 by 32 on tag. So, ayun. Baka andun na yung hinahanap mo sa mga na-flex ko kanina. So, what are you waiting for? Don't wait. Char. Just take a screenshot and send me a DM, guys. Or, you can visit my pages here. This is my Facebook page and my Instagram. And lahat ng available items natin, guys, is posted sa dalawang selling platforms natin. The full details and prices is indicated. I do accept layaway terms, guys. After 30 days, I just need down payment for reservation and assurance na syempre itutuloy mo yung item. So, ano pang inaantay mo? I-send mo na sa akin yung mga inipon mong screenshots at pag-usapan natin yan. Matik yan. Once fully paid, ship na agad. Thank you, guys. Bye.